बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि आज की इस वीडियो में आपको कुछ ऐसे जनरल नॉलेज के एमसीक्यूज बताने जा रहा हूं। अगर आप एएमसी, एएफएनएस, एनयूएमएस और पीएमए के अगर पास पेपर्स देखेंगे तो इनमें से काफ़ी सारे एमसीक्यूज आपको फोर्सेस की टेस्ट में मिलेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो। द यूनाइटेड नेशंस वाज फाउंडेड ऑन, यानी यूनाइटेड नेशंस यानी कब कायम किया गया था? आंसर 24 अक्टूबर 1945। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, विच कंट्री फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट द मेंबर ऑफ यूएनओ, यानी यूनाइटेड नेशन ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का मेंबर नहीं है इनमें से कौन सा कंट्री? आंसर है ए, वेटिकन सिटी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, द इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस इज लोकेटेड इन, आंसर द हैग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, देयर आर डैश मेंबर्स ऑफ सार्क, सार्क एक तंजीम है, उसके कितने मेंबर्स हैं? आंसर 8, डी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ इस्लामिक कॉर्पोरेशन OIC has dash classified language, answer C, 3. Question number 6, there are dash non-permanent members of Security Council, answer C, 10. Question number 7, the currency of Indonesia is, answer A, rupiah. Question number 8, the D8 is an organization of 8 dash countries, answer B, developing. Question number 9, the European Union's working capital is dash in dash, answer Brussels. Question number 10, the headquarter of NATO is located in dash, answer the Brussels. Question number 11, the motto of UNO is dash, answer it's your world. Question number 12, the world's highest mountain is in, यानी the world दुनिया का सबसे ऊंचा माउंटेन कौन से कंट्री में है? आंसर सी, नेपाल। Question number 13, the headquarter of Red Cross is in dash, answer the Geneva. Question number 14, the World Trade Organization was established in, answer D, 1995. Question number 15, the North Atlantic Treaty NATO was signed in, answer C, 1949. Question number 16, which country on the map of world appears as long shoe? Answer B, Italy. Question number 17, which from the following countries is not a member of D8? Answer A, India. Question number 18, the largest ocean of the world is dash, answer the Pacific. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean of the world. Question number 19, which from the following countries does not yield veto power, यानी इनमें से कौन सा कंट्री जिसके पास वीटो पावर नहीं है? आंसर सी, कनाडा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, OIC changed its name from Organization of Islamic Conference to Organization of Islamic Cooperation in, answer D, 2011. Question number 21, the most powerful organ of United Nations is, answer B, Security Council. Question number 22, the headquarter of Greenpeace International is located in, answer Amsterdam. Question number 23, the 3 May is observed internationally as dash, answer the Press Freedom Day, यानी इस दिन को प्रेस फ्रीडम डे मनाया जाता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 24, द कैपिटल ऑफ कनाडा इज, आंसर ओटावा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 25, द सुएज कैनाल इज बिटवीन, आंसर मेडिटेरियन सी एंड रेड सी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 26, द परमानेंट सेक्रेटरीट ऑफ सार्क इज लोकेटेड इन डैश, आंसर द काठमांडू, नेपाल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 27, which from the following countries is not a member of European Union? Answer A, Norway. Question number 28, the currency of Israel is dash, answer shekel. Question number 29, the largest democratic country in the world is, answer D, India. Question number 30, the permanent secretariat of OIC is located in dash, answer C, Jeddah. Question number 31, the highest part of the earth is dash mountain, dash, answer A, Mount Everest. Question number 32, the lowest part of the earth is dash, answer A, Dead Sea. Question number 33, the deepest part of the earth is, answer B, Mariana Trench. Question number 34, the headquarter of Amnesty International is in dash, answer C, London. Question number 35, the headquarter of Transparency International is in dash, answer D, Berlin. Question number 36, the biggest island of the world is dash, answer B, Greenland. Question number 37, 22 April is observed internationally as dash, answer C, Earth Day. Question number 42, Indonesia is an archipelago comprising approximately dash islands? Answer D. 70,500. Question number 43. Which country is called the land of golden fiber? Answer is C. Bangladesh. Question number 44. Which country is called the land of thousands lakes? Answer B. Finland. Question number 45. Vienna is the capital of dash? Answer A. Australia. Question number 46. The capital of Czech Republic is? Answer is D. Prague. Question number 47. AFP is the news agency of dash country? Answer is B. France. Question number 48. Antara is the news agency of dash country? Answer is A. Indonesia. Question number 49. The Emirates is an airline of dash country? Answer is C. UAE, United Arab Emirates. Question number 50. Qantas is an airline of dash country? Answer is B. Australia. Question number 53. What caused the nationally Alfred Nobel? Answer is D. Swedish. Question number 54. The first Nobel Prize was awarded in? Answer is B. 1901. Question number 55. The Nobel Prize has been awarded in dash fields? Answer is 6 fields. The Nobel Prize has been awarded in 6 fields. Question number 56. Question number 56. The Nobel Peace Prize 2012 in the field of peace was awarded to? Answer is A. European Union. Question number 57. Sana is the news agency of dash country? Answer is C. Syria. Question number 58. Sabah is the news agency of dash country? Answer is C. Yemen. KLM is the airline of dash country? Answer is C. Netherlands. Question number 60. Etihad Airways is an airline of dash country? Answer is A. United Arab Emirates. Question number 61. The earth's surface is divided in dash continents? Answer is 7 continents. C. Question number 62. The largest continent by area of the world is? Answer is A. Asia. Question number 63. The second largest continent by area of the world is? Answer is C. Africa. Question number 64. The smallest continent by area of the world is? B. Australia. Question number 55. Question number 65. The earth's oceanic water is divided in dash oceans? Answer is A. 5. Question number 81. The NATO is Question number 81. NATO is an dash alliance? Answer is A. Military alliance. Question number 82. The oldest news agency in the world is? Answer is A. AFP. Question number 83. The Suez Canal is in dash? Answer is C. Egypt. The Suez Canal is in Egypt. Question number 84. The Delaware River is in dash state? Answer is A. United States. Question number 85. The main structural work of the Eiffel Tower was completed in? A. Dash. Answer is D. 1889.